kind of a battle of the EDC mini flashlights. This is a Streamlight Micro Stream, which is a micro USB. This is the ThruNite, which screws out to a USB-C, and this is a 3 function, so you got low, high, and then strobe. This is just a low and a high. All right, so that's Streamlight 50 yards on the barn, ThruNite 50 yards on the barn, Streamlight, ThruNite. These are both on high, and you can see that to me that ThruNite is just leaps and bounds better. So I think I'm going to stick with that ThruNite from here on out. I'm going to buy a few of those, one for my buddies, or one for each of my buddies and the kids.